Kaitlyn,
What's up?
thought I'd give you a little call since we're quarantined and all.
Yeah, I've been like swamped with work, you know?
You want to see the most adorable thing?
Yes. Did you hear your name?
So, anyways, I am very bored.
You know what you should do is the craft that we did the other week. Because you
Oh,
don't
yeah.
really need to go to the store to buy anything. You could just use paper around the house.
That sounds like the perfect self-isolating project.
I agree. Oh, hey there, stranger. Today we are going to make origami paper boxes. And they're so easy, and it's a great way to reuse paper that you have around your house. You could do scrapbook paper, old book, dictionary pages, old cards. You can reuse it and make a cute little gift box.
Let's begin. Okay, I'm on this end of the spectrum. Did you notice we wore our Sunday best?
Oh, yes. Spring colors. What you're going to do is start with a square piece of paper. It needs to be square. Let me show you a trick if it's not. This is not square. It's a rectangle. Did you know that?
Correct.
You're just going to fold it like this, a little corner up, and do a little snippy snip, and then there you go.
It's a square.
There you got a square. We want this to be the outside of the box, so we're going to flip it over. First fold. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
You're going to just fold it in half.
Whoa, slow down, slow down.
The thing is, you kind of really want your folds to be precise, because the more precise, the better the box. It won't be as wobbly. And then fold again the other way.
So you're doing a hamburger and hot dog. Fold.
It's the same. They're two hamburgers with fries.
Doing a double patty.
All right, now what we're going to do is do it diagonally. Make a little
Okay.
triangle.
And if you made a square out of a rectangle piece of paper, you would have this fold done already.
Oh, yeah, very good.
Let me guess what the next fold is.
Okay,
Another diagonal.
very good.
I feel like this is the base to many origami projects.
Yeah. Very good folds.
Thank you.
So now we have all these cute little triangles shooting out. So now we're going to bring each corner to the center. So fold
Wait,
that
are we making one of those,
fortune teller?
yeah.
No.
When I was a kid, like, you took those pretty seriously, you know?
Oh, for sure.
It's kind of like the game MASH. Remember that?
You have like 17 kids and you're living in a trailer park. And you're like, let me just do this again.
Kids don't play games like that like they used to. Now it's all about the YouTubes and
The TikToks.
the Flappy Birds.
So now we have this little thingamabob. What we're going to do is bring this corner to the center now. We're just going to fold it up. So just bring it to the center line. And then do the other side as well. Is that your stomach?
I'm really hungry.
Very good. You're keeping up.
This is my kind of project.
All right, so just gonna open that up again. So we have that flat. And now turn it and do the other side up. You can do little Easter baskets, you can do gift boxes. So now you can kind of see the start of our box. We're gonna take these flaps, just like open it up, just two of them. And then we're just gonna fold this so this corner part is folded as well. And the other side as well. We're gonna lift these corners up so it's like a little tunnel. This is the hardest part. Okay, deep breath. We're gonna get through this. To see where like the bottom of your box is there,
Yep.
you're going to pinch it in to make some corners. Very good. And then just fold this flap underneath. Pinch and fold. Pinch, fold. Pinch and fold. Pinch, fold. Pinch, fold, squeeze. Pinch, pinch, fold, squeeze. And squeeze. And squeeze. Pinch, fold, squeeze. And then the other side. Give her a little squeeze. Just like your sweetheart. If you really wanted, you could tape this down, but it stays pretty good. So, no. See where your bottom is? You're gonna squeeze these.
Oh, squeezing too high.
There you go. And fold it in. Look at that. And then for the bottom, what you're gonna do is get the same size square and then just cut it like a 1/2 inch smaller around the edge. So then it will fit perfectly into
Like a
the
lid?
bottom. For some reason, all the boxes are on the ground. Let me, 1 second. The cool thing about cards is that you have the top and the bottom. Here's your top, here's your bottom. You just cut that and then make it into a square. It's like the best quality paper.
It's thick.
It's like sturdier and it doesn't like tear when you fold it. But here's some ways you can spice up your boxes. You can do a cute little bow over the top. You can do stamps like this. This is our Easter egg stamp set. You could put a wedding ring in here. Can you imagine?
Oh. Well, no, think you could take like the first card she ever gave you.
That is beautiful.
I'm actually starting to tear up saying that. All right, well, thank you for tuning in to watch how to make these beautiful, decorative, homemade boxes.
Yeah.
Because you know what?
Recycle, reuse.
Refund your time from watching this video. We'll put a detailed instruction link. No, that's stupid. We'll put a link in the description for detailed instructions on how to make this. Have a happy Easter, and we'll see you next time on Fake It Till You Make It. Don't drop the egg.